What does klutzy mean? The word klutzy is an adjective used to describe someone who is clumsy, awkward, or prone to accidents. If a person trips, spills things, or drops items frequently, they can be called klutzy. This term is light-hearted and often used humorously to describe someone's unintentional mishaps. Definition of klutzy. Klutzy refers to a person or action that lacks grace or coordination. It highlights physical awkwardness but isn't meant to offend. Instead, it playfully points out someone's tendency to be accident-prone. Synonyms of klutzy. Here are some common synonyms for klutzy. Clumsy, awkward, ungainly, bumbling, gawky, inept. Examples of klutzy in sentences. He's so klutzy that he tripped over his own shoelaces. Don't be klutzy while carrying the cake or you'll drop it. Her klutzy moves during the dance made everyone laugh affectionately. Why use klutzy? The word klutzy adds a casual and humorous tone when describing someone's clumsiness. Instead of sounding harsh or critical, it softens the comment and keeps the mood light.